Well, what did she give you for your cough?
Um, grape stuff, yucky grapes.
Did it help?
Uh-huh. But it only helped for one day.
And then what happens?
Then I start coughing the next day. And then I have to take it again. I have to take it every day until it goes away.